Welcome to BWE Music. I'm Dr. Patrick Engler. Today we're going to be talking about embouchure. And when teaching embouchure, everyone's got their own way of doing it, their own tips and tricks on how to put the mouthpiece in the mouth in the right way. So we're not going to focus on that today. We're going to focus on some of the fixes of the two big problems with beginner embouchures: embouchure pressure and embouchure position. Let's get to it. So we'll start out talking about embouchure pressure. And obviously we have two ways that this can go wrong: too much or too little. If we have too much pressure, they're going to feel like they're not going to be able to blow air into the instrument, and it's going to sound like it's very stopped. Maybe air may be leaking out of the corners, or there may be sound for just a second before it stops. On the other hand, if there's not enough pressure, the air is going to be going the whole way through going through the instrument, and it's going to be very airy if there's any sound at all. Now for embouchure placement, the two problems we can have are too much mouthpiece in their mouth and too little mouthpiece in their mouth. For too much mouthpiece in the mouth, that's where you're going to get a really wild sound that's really apt to squeak and squawk. You're too far down on the reed, so they're not going to have the control to dampen the reed enough. With too little mouthpiece, the sound is going to be, again, stopped and not really want to go through, and if it comes out, it's going to be pretty thin. That's because when you're too high up on the reed isn't as resistant, and so your embouchure pressure is going to stop that reed. And the way that I use to find the optimum place to put your bottom lip for your embouchure is you want to find where the reed and mouthpiece separate, put your thumbnail right there, and just put the mouthpiece in your mouth up to your thumbnail. That about does it, diagnosing beginner embouchure problems. So if you like this video and it helps you out, be sure to like and follow, and check out the Patreon. We're going to have some good stuff coming up. We'll see you next time.